Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Baxia Roam and getting it physically ready. Insert a charged battery and a formatted micro SD card, then attach the magnetic mount or bracket so the camera sits steady. Once done, press the power button and wait for the LEDs to complete boot. This ensures the unit finishes self-checks. Next, enable the camera Wi-Fi in its quick setup mode so your phone can connect. Make sure the camera firmware prompt appears before moving to app pairing. Now pair the camera with the Baxia app and configure core settings. Open the app, create or log into your account, tap Add Device, and choose Wi-Fi pairing. Connect your phone to the camera's hotspot and follow the QR or AP pairing prompts. This registers the device to your cloud account. After pairing, set video resolution, loop recording duration, and motion detection sensitivity to match your use case. Also enable timestamp and GPS if available, because accurate logs matter for review and evidence. Finish by testing live view and recording a short clip to verify everything works. Mount the Baxia Roam in its final position, adjust the angle for optimal framing, and tighten fasteners so vibration won't shift it. Once mounted, enable cloud upload or auto backup and schedule any desired recording windows. If you encounter problems, no video, freezing, or failed uploads, reboot the camera, confirm the SD card is correctly formatted, and update firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.